Hello guys, today I'll show you how to bypass FRP lock on Blu. So this method working almost all Blu phone, so you can try this method. Now follow my video step by step how to bypass FRP lock. Okay, first of all you need to connect Wi-Fi. So now I am connect Wi-Fi network. So follow my video step by step, don't skip any part. Now I'm connecting Wi-Fi. Skip button is not working because this is FRP lock. When you connect Wi-Fi, then show this message. Wait for message. Okay. When connect Wi-Fi, then show this message. This device was reset to continue sign in with a Google account. So when you see this message, that means this is FRP lock, factory reset protection. So you need to bypass this. For bypass, follow my video step by step, don't skip any part. Now click here and click this add button. Okay, hold. When you hold, then show this. Now I am again showing. Hold and show gear icon, then show this. Now click Google keyboard setting. Now click Google keyboard setting, then click three dot icon. Now click help and feedback. Okay, now click get. Now get started with voice access. Click. Okay. Now scroll down and click any text like this. Okay, when select this text, then you click here search button. When see search button, then click search button. Now wait. Okay. When show this, then select all or delete all. When delete all, then type Chrome and CHROME. Okay, when type Chrome, then already Chrome is coming here. So now click Chrome browser. Okay, when Chrome browser is on, then click accept and continue. Now click no thanks. Okay, now browser is ready. So now follow final step. Now go this website www.frptools.com. This website link already have video description, so you can check there. Now click okay frptools.com. Now scroll down and click all FRP bypass APK download. Now click here and scroll down and download this APK, Easy FRP bypass APK. Now click Easy FRP bypass APK. Okay, wait for download link. Okay, now click download. Now click OK. Downloading is start. When download complete, then you need to install. Now click again. Okay, now again you go back and all delete. Now search here download, DOWNLOAD. Okay, when click downloads, then downloads open. Click downloads. Okay, download is complete. Now click OK. Now click settings. Now click unknown source. Okay. Now go back. Now again select and click install. Okay, now installing in process. Click accept. Okay, now click open. Okay, when open done, then click Google account login. Okay, now click three dot icon, then click browser sign in. Now click OK. Okay, now you can log in here any Gmail account. So now I am logging my Gmail account. You can try your Gmail account. Whose Gmail account? ID password you already know. Click next. Now put password. So password is secret. So okay. When put password, then click sign in. Okay, sign in process. Okay, now you can check sign in okay or not. Click bypass, go to setting 1 and click accounts and click Google. Wow, my Gmail account is logging okay. That means now I am confirmed. So now go back. Okay, this is main home screen. Now again start, skip and wait. Okay, now showing account added. That means you no need to account logging right now. So just click next. Skip anyway and unmarked. Click next. Okay, now click got it. Okay guys, finally our FRP bypass is done. If you think my video is very helpful, then don't forget to like and comment, subscribe.